Hello and welcome all back to my video. Well, today I spent a nice time, guess where? The shopping mall. Yes, in between beautiful dresses, foods, luxuries, comfortable things, gadgets. Wow, it was a dazzling place. And so I thought, let me take a chance to talk about some shopping vocabulary. So let's start. Well, do you know the difference between go shopping and do shopping? You might think, how does that matter? That matters because go shopping. Go shopping means you go to buy some luxurious things, some things that you long for, you desire, not anything that you need every day. For example, a mobile that you suddenly take a decision to buy one, you choose a good mobile phone and you buy it for yourself. A charger, a clip, a perfume, a cream, some cosmetic items, some home decors. These are called, well, I go shopping today. But do shopping are the necessity items, things that we need daily, the bread, the butter, jam, the groceries and the fruits and the toothbrush, the toothpaste, all these things for the everyday need, they are called do shopping. Well, the moment I looked at the mall, I just thought of these two words, go shopping and do shopping. As I entered the shop, the person there, the man there, a gentleman, politely came and said me that, well, ma'am, may I help you? What would you like to see? Would you like to buy some garments? I said, well, no, I'm just browsing. Yes, I'm just browsing means I'm just moving around and checking out on the dresses. I really don't have a wish to buy now, or I might buy later. Now, let's talk of an idiom. Idiom, shop around. What does shop around mean? Shop around doesn't mean to hop around and look at things. No, it means to choose the thing, the best thing that you require as per your criteria after taking decision, after moving around to many shops, to many places that have the same item, to many places that have the same items. For example, if you have decided to buy a car, you move to different car malls, isn't it? You move to different places where they have a car, and the best car you choose with the best value, the pricing, the speed, the mileage that it gives, and different other criteria that you wish for, the color, and thus a value for the price that you pay, and that is called shop around. Yes, I shopped around before I bought the car. I shopped around different places, different shops, different shopping, different car malls. I went to a boutique. Yes, a boutique is a noun. Boutique means exclusive, fashionable dresses sold. So I went to a boutique and I found beautiful dresses there, and there were some very designed, very uncommon and beautiful saris with nice colors. Some had bright colors like orange, red, blue, yellow. Some had paler shades. For example, the peach, light orange, cream, beige. And I really liked them all. I was browsing through the dresses and I found out one, a peach color for myself. And as the lady came to talk about it, as I asked the lady, approached the lady to know about the price, I found it out a bit costly as per my pocket. As I spoke to her, as I requested her if there could be a negotiation, she politely denied that. And she said, well, we don't work on negotiations. We have a fixed price for the purchase items. So, ma'am, if you can take two, we can make a better discount for you. So, this is an experience of a boutique. It was quite good. As the price did not suit me, I chose not to buy. I came out of the boutique and saw a flea market. Yes, what is a flea market? Flea market is adjective because it defines the market here. Though the word F-L-E-A, flea, means noun, but if we add it to flea market, it becomes adjective. And a flea market is a place where you get the second-hand goods, where you get things sold at second-hand goods. Yes, and I was surprised to see the crowd there in the flea market. I also went forward to find out what was going on. Yes, there were different kinds of goods, there were different kinds of books or dresses, along with the handmade things. And I took one handmade boat. But again, I found it not quite stable. Therefore, I chose again not to buy, and I returned after a happy day, after spending some happy hours in both the places, after collecting some experiences from a boutique and a flea market. And thereby, I crossed again a designer shop. No, I did not enter the designer shop. Rather, I chose not to browse again. Rather, I chose to return home and just relax with a cup of coffee. And thus, I ended my busy day without shopping, but I saved some money for myself too. I hope you like the vocabulary on shopping. And next time you go for shopping, do use these words. Yes, I'm browsing. I would like to. For example, you find a dress in a red color and you like the dress, but you want the same dress in the white color. You can just say, can I get the same in white? Can I get this in white? So these are the kinds of words. Or you can also choose to talk about shop around and thus practice increasing your vocabulary with learning and with experience. Hope you like the video. Do subscribe for more such videos. As of now, bye bye.